Okay. So we have to identify the shapes we're dealing with. So obviously dealing with a parallelogram. So
Yeah.
opposite sides are the same, right? Opposite angles are also the same. Diagonals bisect each other. Very
Yeah.
important.
Mm.
So for number one, we can clearly say 2x is going to equal 4x minus 6.
Mm-hmm.
So boom, x equals 3. Then
Yeah.
3x equals y. So y is 9.
Yeah.
And these are the same.
Mm-hmm.
And these are the same. So very simple stuff. Just you're making a bunch of equations, just relationships and solving, right? So those should be very, very straightforward. Um, Actually, one thing I could probably do to help you after we get off this call, I could send you a Delta Math assignment.
All right, sounds good.
Um, and I'll give you a registration link as well, because I
Mm.
think that would help you a lot.
Yeah.
All right, let's keep on trucking here. In here. Okay, how many sides is that? 6. Yeah. So remember, you got to do n minus 2 times 180
Yeah.
to find the sum.
Mm-hmm.
So that's at the 465.
Mm-hmm.
That's 420. Move it over, you should get 300s.
Yeah.
So it should be 60 actually. You have 20, should be
Mm-hmm.
60.
Yep.
Okay. Well, geez. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's 5 sides. It's a pentagon. So 12x plus 20x minus 24.
Mm-hmm.
And then you got to add all these up. 166, 308.
Yeah. Mm.
Um, no, that doesn't make sense. Or maybe it makes sense.
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah, it does. You get 8. And you can solve, so that would be 160 minus 24,
Mm-hmm.
which is 134, I believe.
Yeah.
No, 136. That's 44. So y's got to be 34. So what you want to do, but my suggestion, actually, really the best way to help you prepare for your test
Yeah.
is after we get off this call, maybe give yourself an hour or so to kind of clear your head. Go do these
Yeah.
problems again and watch my video to get stuck.
Sounds good.
And also need the ultimate math as well.
Yep.
Because
Yeah.
obviously you have to do some practice on your own,
Yeah.
but you can guide me through some of these. Okay, so far we're okay with the first 4 problems.
Oh yeah. We're going till 115 or want to go 215 or want to go to.
Around 215, yeah. Yeah.
All right, sounds good.
Yeah. Yeah, actually I could probably set the delta map. Yeah, because we're gonna finish this easily before 215. So we'll do is I'll set up the delta map while on this call. It doesn't take me very long.
Yeah. Yeah, so I went for
I'll stop the recording so that way it'll download while we're still on the call. Keep going.
I finished. I did most of the problems in class,
Okay.
but I just had nothing else to review for the test.
No,
So
that's why I wanted to do Delta Math with you.
yeah,
Um, okay, so these are alternate interior angles, so they have to be the same.
yeah.
The x is 20.
Hmm.
So here, those have to be the same.
Yeah.
So if that's 99,
Hmm.
this has to be 81 because those are same side interior angles that have to 180.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay. Um, Same thing here. Actually, because all the diagonals are the same, that's a rectangle. So
Yeah.
you have to deduce that. It's not obvious.
Yeah.
Look, I know these are parallelograms because you have a pair two pairs of sides that are parallel, or since you have two pairs of sides that are the same but they're different sides for the pairs. But here,
Hmm.
because the diagonals bisect, but each bisected part is the same. So you add so basically if that's 90, then these two have to 90 as well.
Yeah.
You have 90 left over. You have 20.
Hmm.
Um that's a rhombus because all four sides are the same, but it doesn't look like a rectangle or a square. So
Hmm.
um hold on. So oh, that'll be a perpendicular bisector. That's how rhombuses are set up for diagonals.
Yeah.
So x is 30. That has to equal 3x. Well, hold on. 3x equals 90.
Mhm.
That's 90. That's 60 and y is 30.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to average this.
Mhm.
The x is 15. And you do the same thing here. So find the length of each segment. That'd be 9, 15, 21,
Huh?
20, 12, 20,
Then
28.
mm,
Yeah. Okay.
oh wait, can I use the restroom real quick?
Yeah. Go. Yeah, I'll pause.
have, you have 50% of those with bond. Then it's not like the use of part of the same height or him, but you don't have no muscle. That's the sad part. It's kind of looks like a little brother, like they're like a mixture of both of them. Yeah, but if I take back what I say, then guess what? You're gonna look a lot like no. You don't have any. I do look like that girl from the. I have the same hair color and. So, let you able to investigator. That's why I know about my parents.
Oh, no.
All right, I'm back. Oh,
I'll give it a sec here.
Is what
All right, so back to recording again.
mm-hmm.
Find and measure the numbered angles in a kite or rhombus. Remember, a kite looks like a kite, but
Yeah.
you're gonna have two pairs of sides that are the same,
Mm-hmm.
but they're consecutive sides, unlike a parallelogram. The opposite sides are the same, and a rhombus is you have all four sides the same. So 13, 14 are rhombuses.
Yeah.
These are kites.
Mm-hmm.
So one is definitely gonna be 70.
Mhm.
Two is gonna be 54.
Yeah.
That's 108. So that's 72.
Mm-hmm.
That's 40. And the diagonals do form a right angle with each other in a kite, just like they do in a rhombus. That's one thing that's similar. That's 90.
Mhm.
And if that's 55, then that's 55. The two is 35. Three is 35.
Yeah.
5 is 62.
Mm-hmm.
That's 28.
Yeah.
That's 28.
Mm-hmm. Wait.
Um, okay, does that make sense so far for 11 and 12?
For 11 and 12. Well, for 12, uh, yeah, 12 makes sense.
Yeah. That's a rhombus. So the diagonals will bisect. So that's
Mm,
49. Bisect the angles, actually. Um, that doesn't quite look like it, but that's true. And then if that's 98, then that's gonna be 82. So that's, yeah, good. You got that right. 41.
mhm.
And that's 41 also. Um, and that's 41. And that's 41. And that's 90. So 2 is 90.
Yep.
That's 39.
Mm-hmm.
That's 90. That's 51. And that's 51.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, that has with 39 also. Um, it makes sense because that's the 78, you get 102. Yep. Yep. And
Mm-hmm.
these are parallel as well. So okay, cool. Um, velocity is figure as precise as possible. Well, if all the angles are the same and all the sides are the same, that's a square.
Yeah.
Opposite angles are the same, that's just gonna be a kite. Um, if you're bisecting the diagonals and it's a right angle, that's a rhombus, but they're not
Yeah.
the same, so you can't say it's a rectangle. That's a kite for sure. Actually, I'm not sure what they really think of opposite angles are the same. Actually, is that a kite?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe not. Hold on. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, the Ansky.
I do not have the answer key. He did not post it.
That's all good. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty maybe it's just a quadrilateral. Um, I'm just trying to see if to prove it. You
Mm-hmm.
share a side, you have an angle, but I don't know. Yeah, I think it's just a quadrilateral. I don't know if we could really say that.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, I don't think we can.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see here. It was 460 in the two. Yeah, I don't think you can.
Yeah.
See here, you 17 you totally could because
Mm-hmm.
then they share the side, so the triangles are congruent, and the opposite angles are the same
Mm-hmm.
by CPCTC. So that we're good there. I don't think we can really conclude anything with 16.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know how? Find the sum of the measures of an 11 gon. Well, that's easy. That's 11 minus 2 times 180.
Yeah, it's 9 times 180.
Yeah.
Pretty easy. You just need a calculator.
Yeah, 100%. Which is 1620.
16 is 14 times 180.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's 9 times 180. Yeah. Um, and then find the measure of interior and exterior. So decagon's 10.
Wait, does deca mean 10 like in Latin or something?
What was it? Sorry?
Does deca mean like 10 in Latin or something? Is
I
that
think
what?
so. Yeah. Yeah. I do know Latin roots. Yeah. 100%. You take Latin?
Nah, it just like seems like a lot of this stuff's like
Okay.
from Latin.
Um, yeah, divide by 16. That's 157.5. So the extra angle will just be 180 minus that
Mm-hmm.
here. 144 and 36.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Given find n. Um, yeah, so equal to n minus 2 times 180, right? So
Mhm.
yeah, that's not that hard. Yeah, it's 10 sides.
Mhm. Mhm.
Which would be 15.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have 8 sides.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why I did that. That was dumb. Just need 1080. And then you get add all these up.
Mm-hmm.
It's a pain in the ass. And then subtract from 1080. I know you can do that. So I'm not worried about that.
Yeah.
Um, ooh, that's a good one.
It's like the one problem like I just couldn't do.
Yeah, here's what you gotta do. You gotta do a few things. Okay. So what you want, so let's label A,
Mm-hmm.
B, C, that's 5 and 5.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you find what this is using Pythagorean theorem,
Yeah.
A to C going up 2 and 4.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's gonna be root 20.
Uh-huh.
Um, so that's a parallelogram.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you get two pairs of opposite sides that are equal. So you can do that, or you can use slope. The slope is vertical for AD and CV. The slope
Mm-hmm.
is going to be up 2/4, so 1/2, 1/2.
Mm-hmm.
So you have two pairs of parallel sides. You can say that. That's another way you could look at it. But
Yeah.
sometimes you have to do both
Mhm.
because if all the sides are the same and all the sides are negative reciprocal slopes or
Yeah.
perpendicular, then you know you're going to have yourself a square.
Mm-hmm.
Or if the slopes are actually, let me write this out for you. Here we go.
Mm-hmm. Well, can I also take a picture of that with my phone?
Yeah, give me a sec when I finish typing it.
Just make some.
I'll do a screenshot.
All right, sounds good.
And also that's an example of negative reciprocal slopes, like 2 -1/2 or 3/4 and negative
Hmm?
4/3.
Yeah.
Um, that's when you have perpendicular
Yeah.
or right angles. Okay, let me do a screenshot here. PDF. Cool. Took care of it. Okay. So we're good. Okay. that's good. All right, now let's do a delta math. Oh, another thing I should say as well that might be
Mhm.
important. For trapezoid,
Mhm.
just one pair
Mm-hmm.
parallel sides,
Yeah.
so same slope. And for a kite, sides are equal.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I can tell. So I think, I mean, the diagram itself should help when you do it, but yeah. So let me save that as well. Check my PNG. There we go. So much for save it. Yeah, I should say today. For a second. Yeah, let's just get rid of that. Okay. Sweet. So we're good there. Let me go delta math. Let me actually stop the recording here.
All right.